Stop editing like a beginner. CapCut is free, but you need pro techniques. In the next 10 minutes, I'm giving you the 7 most powerful cinematic secrets that YouTubers and TikTokers are using right now. These tricks instantly transform basic phone footage into viral content. We're going deeper than simple cuts. We'll master animated text tracking and the smooth cinematic zoom that you usually need After Effects for. Trust me, you need these to grow your watch time. Stick around for the end because I'll show you the one keyframe curve setting that remove the amateur feel from all your videos. Let's get to work. Hit the like button. First thing we're gonna do is color pop isolation. First, let's isolate a single color like the trending Jack Harlow music videos. Go to adjustment and find the HSL tab. You can now desaturate all the colors you don't want, like yellow, green, blue. By desaturating everything else, only the dominant color, like red, will pop. This is instant cinematic quality. Let's play it. Good. The second trick is text behind the subject. This is a classic for a reason. Duplicate your video layer. Let's grab a video. To duplicate your video layer, you gotta press Alt first and grab the video layer up. On the top layer, go to Video and click on Remove Background and click on Auto Removal. Add your text layer and drag it between the two clips. Let's add some effect. Cool. The third trick is motion track text. If your subject moves, your text should move too. Select your text layer, go to tracking, and click on motion track and drag the point to the subject eye and click on start. For extra smoothness, turn off scale and distance. Your text now follows your subject perfectly, adding amazing dynamism. Forget the jerky standard zoom. We need variable speed animation. Add your start keyframe, add a second keyframe where you zoom in. And put it to 130%. Right click on the clip and click on show variable speed animation and click on auto curve. Like this and drag the point to the first one like this. Voila. This is the secret to professional YouTube zoom. If you have a static drone footage or screen recording, we can add fake movement. Use keyframes on position. Zoom into your clip. Keyframe 1, start at the far left, like this. Keyframe 2, drag the clip to the far right, like this. Now, when you play it, it looks like the camera is flying over the scene. Great for making boring footage exciting. Essential for education and commentary. Duplicate your video layer by pressing Alt and drag it up. Go to adjustment and drag the exposure down. Now on the same type layer, go to mask and create a rectangle mask. Stretch the rectangle over the area you want to highlight, like this. Select inverse. Now everything is dark except the highlight area. Add a small fade in animation, like go to effect and type fading. You now have that pro documentary style highlight that forces the viewer's eye exactly where you want it. This is our last trick. This is video inside text effect. This is a great visual effect for intros. You need 3 layers. A black background, your text layer, click on text panel and drag it like this. You can put it on bold, increase the font size like this. Okay. And your video clip. It's too long. Let's trim it and delete the other part. Now select the top video layer and go to video and click on blend and click on darken. This is our last effect. The video is now playing inside your text. You've made it. You now have 7 secrets you need.